guys, I'm so happy you're watching this video because first thing, today is sunny, and the second thing is we are out. We discovered that we have a very nice place to walk, a park nearby our new house, and today we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of our new home. And I'm always very grateful for your comments and your opinions of what is really important for you in your house. So let's discuss this topic together. Well guys, Olivia fell asleep and I found a quite nice location to talk to you guys about the advantages and disadvantages of our new home. And as you see right now, this is the first reason of buying the place here. It is the location. So we are in Almere Haven, and it is so interesting that when we just came here to the Netherlands from Poland, right after our relocation, we came here just to walk, just to spend our Saturday, and we were so surprised how beautiful this place is, that we live so close to the water, that we can walk here, that we can go to a restaurant here, and we just understood that why not to live here like forever, right? Why not to buy a house here? So the location was really important for us. It's really important for us to live in a nice neighborhood with restaurants, with cafe. I'm sure like for the majority of you guys. But why I'm stressing out this so much? Because I am from the culture where it is not that obvious, that is not that meaningful. What I'm talking about is that the majority of Russian people, they live in big cities, and the whole infrastructure is built around the center of the city, but they live in the suburbs, and it takes them like, I don't know, 1 hour or 2 hours to get to the center of the city where they can enjoy the whole infrastructure. And also I lived in a place like this, so my street where I am from is quite distant from the main part of the city, and in order to go to a cafe I had to take a bus and go 1 hour to the center and to meet someone there and get back. So this is why in Russia there are a lot of places which are called like sleeping districts. It means that you just come there just to sleep and then you get back to work or to your studies or to whatever. Actually, we don't agree with this. We don't like this idea, especially nowadays when the majority of people work from home as well as we do. When you don't have to go somewhere for 1 week or 2 weeks, and you can enjoy your life right now, right here at your own neighborhood, and your neighborhood is cozy. Also, we live quite close to the school, and this proximity to school might be a disadvantage for someone, because when kids have breaks, you can hear them, literally, you can hear them, but for us it's obviously only an advantage because our girls, oh, Olivia is waking up, Olivia is waking up, let's go. Maybe she will fall asleep again. Well, the parents will understand. So for us it's only an advantage because our girls will go to that school. The second important thing was the condition of the house, because you know, guys, when we were looking for the market and we were visiting other houses, we understood that anyway we had to take a compromise. We will not be able to buy an ideal house in an ideal location in an ideal condition. Actually, let's say not this year, maybe later it will be possible, but not this year, right? And we understood that we will have to take a compromise. We will have to do something there, do something here, but the overall condition of the house is very nice, while we have some things to improve. So the things to be improved are the windows, for sure, because the windows don't have the natural ventilation system, and they have quite much fluid which comes when it is not ventilated. So another thing is that the heating system is not that perfect, so we have to put the system which will control the whole heating system, not to waste the energy first. So we'll just have to put this thing which monitors those batteries, and you can distantly adjust when we are on location, for example, so things like that. It's not such a big waste, let's say so. And the other things are okay. So we are doing the makeover, as you see right now, but the basic things are good. The condition of the house is very good, and we are really happy with it. And another thing that is considered just a little bit as a disadvantage of this house is that there is no parking place right in front of the house. But for us it's even better, because the air is fresh, no one parks cars in front of the house, so it's also very good. But for some people it might be a disadvantage, so I talk about it as a disadvantage for someone, but for us it's okay. Now we don't have electric car, so our car is a usual car, and when we have an electric car, we will think about the possibility to charge the car from the house. If it is not possible, we will park it in the neighborhood, because what we see is that there are more and more electric car chargers built right now. Also, as many of you guys told me in the comments, that we will have to change the stove, the cooking stove, which is gas stove right now, and it is also okay for us, because we will change the kitchen anyway in a couple of years, and we also consider it as a good thing for us to change it anyway. Now I enjoy cooking on the with the real fire. It's so cozy and nice. And one of the biggest advantages for us is the size of the house, because also we were talking to people who advised us to look for a small house but in a nicer location. They were talking about Utrecht and Amstelveen, or even The Hague and Haarlem, but actually we really needed that space. As you see, we are a family of 4, and we do really need personal space, each of us. So Dima needs an office, I also need an office. Now we are already finished my office in our big bedroom, and the girls already want their own space. And Ava, when she comes from school, she says, oh, I just want to spend some time alone, I want to play alone and to draw alone. Olivia also wants to hold her things in her room. So actually, when you are a big family and you spend all your time together, you do really need your personal space, and it is very precious for us at this moment. And we are really happy to share our story with you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.